What's up guys, I'm Benny Obscene, and like most dads, I just sold the two-door sports car for the family minivan.
But this ain't no Dodge Caravan.
This is our 1987 Volkswagen Westfalia Weekender Vanagon. There's a lot of important words in that, so here goes. Westfalia means it's a pop top, and Weekender means it doesn't have the full kitchen. We aren't planning on living in this thing anytime soon. It's just our vehicle for long weekends away. Finally, Vanagon represents the second generation of VW vans that spanned the 80s and 90s. They came after the hippie buses and before the Eurovan and fit perfectly into our style and mechanical comfort zone. Like anything on this channel, ours is a bit of a project, but mission one, clean, clean, and clean some more.
It's a hard not life for us. It's a hard not life for us. Instead of kisses, we get teeth.
Go!
A Band-Aid.
A Band-Aid. I will now extract the Band-Aid.
Do not drop that on yourself. I'm going to throw up. You should have gloves on.
You can't get it?
Oh, I got it.
No. You. Look up.
You don't even.
Right, we finally have all the fabrics out of the van. We're getting ready to get those washed. As you can hear in the background, nap time is over. So we've got time to squeeze in the first official repair on the van. And that's this clip right here. Ta-da! Better get that baby.
And all that I see, and all that you say, Hamina go, Hamida, how you the hardest free, Hamida gotta see.
Nap time's over.
Thank you so much for watching.
We hope you don't get sick or anything.
We hope you don't get the sick. Day one's a wrap. Hopefully we didn't get sick cleaning out this thing.
Because we're clean, we didn't get the sick, we are careful.
We didn't even put a drop in the bucket for cleaning it.
Yep.
Rock, share, subscribe.
Like, share, subscribe. See you next time.
On
Peace
my
out, everybody.
channel. On my channel.